Welcome back. It's time we put technical cues on the table, and we have our technical experts joining us. Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar are with us. Good morning, both of you. Let me start with you, Sudarshan. What's the Nifty trade, and is there a separate Nifty bank trade, which seems to be the leader these days?
Yeah, good morning, Lata. You're quite right. The Nifty Bank is the leader. But luckily for us today, the trades are the same for both the indices. The Nifty and the Bank Nifty are both moving in a very narrow range. For the Nifty, the range is just 150 points for the last 2 days. 18,100 at the lower end and 18,250 at the higher end. Now, this 150 range will not sustain. We are going to see a breakout one way or the other on the upside or the downside. Luckily, given the fact that the Bank Nifty is also in a range, but is giving very clear indications that it's likely to break on the upside, I would say the Nifty is also a buying opportunity. Now keep a stop under 18,100 and go long in the Nifty. There is a slow but soft undercurrent of bullishness coming out on the charts in momentum in both of them. So today I would say buying is suggested for the Nifty under 18,100 stop, and for the Bank Nifty with a 43,000, a little lower than that stop loss, go long for both.
Okay, that's nice to see after a while, Sudarshan turning positive over there. But I take your point. I mean, the Nifty has recovered about 2.5% from its December lows. Mitessh, would you concur with the view that, there is an undercurrent of a positive move in the index and there's a breakout coming perhaps? What are your thoughts?
My belief is that, good morning, the Nifty, actually, I'm still waiting for an hourly close above 18,250, 260. And today we might open with slight gap down, which will kind of undo the strong closing which happened yesterday. So I think still holding my horses, but I think once we get a close above 18,250, 260 on an hourly basis, I think the rally, the pullback rally should extend possibly by about 100 to 150 points. So in that sense, we're trading with mild positive bias on, and that reflects in my stock picks as well. But I think, the index trade will happen only once we get an hourly close above 18,250.
Okay, all right. Hi, Mitessh. Morning. What about individual stocks?
On the individual stock side, Nigel, I have 3 buys and a sell. On the buying side is Grasim. Here I would recommend a stop. On the selling side is Grasim. Here I would recommend a stop at about 1736 and a target of 1680 on the downside. Couple of insurance names gave a breakout yesterday. ICICI GI or ICICI Lombard. That's a buy with a stop below levels of 1250 and a target of around 1300 or 1300 plus is what I recommend. HDFC Life was another one. That was a buzzing stock. It's buy with a stop at 587 for targets of 610. And the final buy call is in Havells. Keep a stop below 1110 here and a target of around 1160-65 on the upside can be looked at.
Okay, got that. Sudarshan, your stocks?
Well, I'm looking at mid caps which are deeply oversold because we are already covering the large caps when we buy the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Apollo Hospitals is my first buying idea. The stock has been going through a correction, but not a very deep correction. But it just suggests that it's finding support. Buy with a stop under 4,400. Britannia is my only intraday short, and you don't actually have to take intraday shorts unless you see the markets really wobble. So sell with a stop above 42.95. Granules is a buy. The stock has been falling now for the last 15 days. That decline has stemmed a lot. It's now essentially flat. That's a perfect place to buy. Buy with a stop under 320. And Petronet, which is not a buy on dips, is on the verge of a breakout, new breakout. That's a buy on breakout with a stop under 214.
Okay. All right, gentlemen, thanks a lot for that. We will keep coming back to you for more calls on the market and on specific stocks. We'll have the pre-opening rates with us as well. We'll also get Naveen Trivedi of HDFC Securities to talk about big trends in the FMCG and the consumer durable space. So do stay tuned in for that.